All right, guys, just let's see life hacks. Before we broke down the theory, we also broke down practice, simple and advanced. Right now, let's see life hacks, because life hacks are actually your shortcuts that will allow you to save time and effort on your endeavors to reach the IELTS score you want, actually, right? First, the first life hack is try to avoid repetitions. I actually suffer from that too. Sometimes I fall into just overusing words, abusing them basically. I'd say the only option actually to be surrounded by people who are strong in their language and to be surrounded by the environment actually forces you to speak more than just repetitive words. For example, I live here, where my vocabulary is quite limited. If I start using advanced vocabulary, no one understands me, right? So that's pretty much actually the least thing you want to do to other people not understand what you're saying and always re-asking you like, what are you saying? What does that mean? Let me Google. It's very irritating, especially in casual conversations, right? So basically, in your real life, you just try to keep everything super simple, no rocket science. But if we speak about academics and the academics level of integrity of your language, I think it should be kept diverse. So, guys, just keep that in mind that you actually have to be able to speak diverse, but in your most life situations, you will not be that diverse as you want it to be, especially as a non-native speaker living in a non-native English country, right? Life hack number two, listen to the question carefully. Ask if you do not know something. Lots of people, especially in Asia, I don't know why it has to do something with Asia exactly. I'm not trying to put a label on something, but just sometimes you ask a question, a very simple question, which cannot be answered with yes or no. But the person still answers yes or no. It's not like, what's your favorite color? Yes, no, you cannot answer it. So listen to the question carefully, right? Really get deep into what you're being asked for. If you do not understand, you do not know the word, and you don't want to feel embarrassed by just answering or whatever, double ask. Just ask, yo, I don't know this question, or I don't know what you mean. Could you elaborate? Could you simplify that? It's totally fine. They're gonna do this for you. It's better than just answering whatever nonsense you have, guys, in your head. Then speak naturally. Sometimes I don't know what for. I know students are hesitant and they try to impress probably the trainer or others, and they Google something and they just write it down and they read it. I can sense it. Anyone can sense it. You feel like a robot, actually. You're not speaking. You have to be able to speak, and speech itself is not perfect. Lots of people have this like blah 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 blah. They all have it. So just be natural. Try to keep your speech actually natural and just go with the flow. No need to push yourself a lot. Yeah. Next, practice common topics a lot. It's just all about your life, guys. It's not a rocket science. Again, just learn some extra idioms, phrasal verbs, whatever you find interesting for yourself. Watch YouTube videos, read news. You'll gain that vocabulary pretty quickly, I tell you. And practice, practice, practice. By practicing, I mean not only using ChatGPT 5 minutes a day, actually, it's not gonna work. It has to be a person who's gonna push you actually towards the progress. And we have this mentorship program, guys, that will give you lots of advices, that will give you guidance on how to solve some certain problems, will give you a word to networking, will give you an access to our exclusive job givers. So just guys, keeping you updated. Don't forget to DM me if you want to figure out more about it. Yeah, so practice common topics. By practicing, what I also mean, you have to record yourself periodically. I know we guys pretty lazy to do anything extra, right? Extra step is always a big deal for us, but just in case. You record yourself and you do it in a sprint. So we have a 7 day sprint. We start say on Monday and we finish on Sunday. Monday is our beginning day. So we start with recording ourselves, then we do follow some advices. We pivoted again and again, and then we record ourselves again day 7, and we try to compare. Is there any difference? If yes, what is it? Have we improved? Yes or no? If yes, how? What has been improved? Not why. Yeah, so always try to measure yourself to give yourself a little bit more clarity about your language. Avoid too much of fillers. By fillers, I mean, yes, like and this kind of stuff. Stuff is also actually a filler. I would like to say these are all fillers. I think no, no, no. These are, yeah, things we don't really need. They just take up space, but our language probably sounds a little bit more natural with that. And very vocab mindfully. You don't have to put and flex all the words you know. You don't have to. You have to be wise about it, where to put exactly, because at the end of the day, your language skill is about finding the right word at the right time, not just showing off that you know lots of academic words and no one gives a shit about it. No one understands what you're saying. It doesn't make any sense. Your language has to be applicable. It is used as a tool for communication, not for bragging your mental capacity to memorize 100 useless words, right? So be mindful about it. And yeah, as I said before, record yourself. It's a very natural and useful practice for pretty much any language, not English or IELTS, specifically any language, whether it is Vietnamese, Japanese, whatever, any language you guys have. It is super useful. So yeah, try to use it too. This is it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you wanna follow more on our courses. DM, comment, like, whatever you guys feel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ciao.